Hello. For today, I'm going to be teaching you Jenny Pluck Pears. This is a three-couple dance. It was in John Playford's The English Dancing Master from 1651. Now, as you can see, I am one person, and so I will be doing my best to show you the different positions for the three couples. When I'm in the Lord's position, I will be wearing this hat to help you know when I'm a Lord or when I'm a lady. Let's get started. As is common with English country dances, there is doubling, siding, arming, and stuff. Now this particular dance is a little different than your normal dances that just simply go forward and back, and you're in a square or a rectangle shape with your couples all in a line. In this dance, your couples are in a circle. So to start off this dance, the couples are in a circle. At the moment, I am in the couples 3 position. And then facing the circle from this position would be Lord and Lady 1. And over here would be Lord and Lady 2. At the very beginning of the dance, everyone, you're going to grab hands. The Lords will be on the left, on the right of the couples. So grab hands, and you're going to do 8 slip steps to the left. So that's just simply left, 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 left. And you do this 8 times. After you've done 8 counts, drop hands, and then you're going to do a set, set, turn facing the circle. A set, set, turn is where you step on your left foot and point with your right foot, step on the right foot and point with your left. And now that you've got all of that weight on your right foot, you're going to turn over your left shoulder. So let me show you that in a little faster motion. So set, set, turn. So now we're facing the circle. We've done our 8 slip steps to the left. We've set, set, turned. Now we grab hands again, and we're going to go back around the circle, going to our right, back to our original positions for 8 counts, drop hands, and then set, set, turn. At this point, let me get into couples 1 position, because depending on where you're at in the set tells you which turn it is for you. So couple 1, you are going to grab hands. So it's right hands, and the lady is going to go up and underneath her arm, and as the Lord 1 is going to grab right hands with the lady, and as he turns her underneath her arm, turns her into the circle, Lord 1 is going to take a step to the right and face into the circle. So first, couples 1 are facing each other, grab right hands, lady goes under, and then the Lord steps and faces into the circle. While Lady 1 grabs Lord 1's hand, goes up underneath the arm, spins herself into the circle, and now Lord and Lady 1 are facing each other. After that, same thing with Lord and Lady 2. Now it's their turn to turn the lady into the circle. After that, then it's Lady 3's turn to be spun into the circle. Now at this point, ladies 1, 2, and 3 are all standing in the center of the circle with their backs to each other, facing out of the circle. The Lords are all facing the women inside the circle. As you will hear momentarily with the music pretty much tells you, it goes long, boring bow. The words don't, or the music doesn't actually say it, but you can hear in the music, it gets stretched out. So once all 3 ladies are spun into the center of the circle, we're all going to do either ladies will curtsy, men, because I'm wearing the hat, men will bow, however you wish to bow. Now the ladies stand there and look pretty while the men go shopping. And as they go shopping, think of it as the Wizard of Oz steps. So you're going to go left, right, left, right, left, right, and they're going to go around in a circle, browsing the 3 ladies. So left, right, 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 left, and You do this for 8 skips, and then you're going to turn over your right shoulder and do the same thing again. 8 Wizard of Oz skips back to your original position. Now, once you're back in your original positions, grab right hands with your ladies, and then Lord 1, which is the position I'm in at the moment, will grab right hands with the lady, and she will spin herself back into her original position, and then Lord 2 will take his lady and spin her back into her position, and then Lord 3 will take, Lord 3 will take his lady and spin her into her position, and again the music does long boring bow. At this point, because it's English country, we've got our siding, arming, and stuff. That was bar stuff. Now it's time for siding. We are going to side right with our partner. And as I'm the Lord, I'm in the Lord's position with my hat. I'm going to side right with my partner. So it's left, right, left together, and we will meet at the right shoulder. So left, right, left together. At this point, I should be right shoulder to right shoulder with my partner. Now I'm going to go back to my original position, right, left, right together, and now I'm facing my partner again. Now we're going to meet from the left shoulder. Left, right, left together. We're meeting left shoulder to left shoulder, and then back to place. Right, right together. Now you're going to grab hands again with your partner, but this time the lady is going to spin the Lord into the circle. So Lord 1 gets spun into the circle first. Lord 1 goes in, and then Lord 2 goes in, and then Lord 3 goes in. Now all of the lords are standing in the center of the circle, while the 3 ladies are standing on the outside of the circle facing in. And again, we do, as the music calls, long boring bow. So as the men stay in the center of the circle, the ladies will now go shopping, and we do the same Wizard of Oz skip. So it's left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And again, you do this for 8 counts, and then turn over your right shoulder and go back to your original position. After you've done 8, Lord 1 gets spun out, back into his position. Lord 2, Lord 3, long boring bow. After this is siding. So grab right hands. You want the heavy hands? Show off those wonderful sleeves that you have. And the hands will be the center of your circle. So grab right hands, and it's an 8 count turn around your hands. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grab left hands, left. Again, 8 counts. And then, again, it's time for the ladies to get spun in. The ladies, Lady 1 gets spun into the center of the circle, Lady 2, then Lady 3, long boring bow. And now the men will go shopping again, and they go around, and then they come back, and then Ladies 1, Lady 2, and then Lady 3 comes out, long boring bow, and the dance is done. Time to put to music. Now for the moment. With this dance, if you want to dance it seriously, go for it. If you want to have fun and flirt, the perfect time is when you do, as I call it, the shopping. If you're Lady 3 and you want to flirt with more than just Lord 3, flirt with Lord 1 as he goes skipping by. If you don't like Lord 2, or maybe you're playing hard to get, give him the cold shoulder. But have fun with the dance. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask and subscribe.